Hi everyone, my name is Melchor Birangil Jr., studying at PIMSAT College, INC Dagupan City. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My topic is all about Marpol Annex 4, 5, and 6. First is, what is Marpol Annex 4? The Marpol Annex 4 is a set of regulations that control how ships discharge sewage into the ocean. It also covers the equipment and system ships used to manage sewage. Marpol Annex 4 refers to a section of the International Convention for Prevention of Pollution from Ships that regarding the discharge of sewage from ships into the ocean, essentially aiming to prevent marine pollution cause Annex 4. The key about Marpol Annex 4, first is from preventing marine pollution by controlling sewage discharge from ships. The second is requirements. Ships must have approved sewage treatment system or utilize handling tanks to properly manage sewage before discharge. Third is certification. Ship must be certified as complement with Annex 4 regulation. What is Marpol Annex 5? Marpol Annex 5 parts of the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Marpol focuses on preventing pollution by garbage from ships, aiming to reduce garbage discharge into the sea and protect the marine environment. Marpol land for the garbage types. Marpol Annex 5 is an international marine regulation that aims to prevent pollution from the marine environment by garbage from ships. Here are the key aspects of Marpol Annex 5. First is prohibition on discharge. Garbage including plastic cannot be discharged into the sea except in very specific circumstances. Second, garbage management plants. Ship must have a garbage management plan in the place outlining how they will manage and dispose of their garbage. Third, garbage record book. Ship must maintain a garbage record book documenting all garbage disposal and incidents. What is Marpol Annex 6? It's a set of regulations aimed at reducing air pollution from ships. Marpol Annex 6 has undergone several amendments since its adoption in 1997. The most recent amendments aim to further reduce air pollution from ships and promote sustainable shipping companies. The regulations for the prevention of air pollution from ships seeks to minimize airborne emissions from ships and the carbon intensity of global shipping is ordered to annihilate its contribution to local and global air pollution and environment problems. Marpol Annex 6, which entered into force in 2005, is crucial for preventing air pollution from ships by setting limit on emission like sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide and prohibiting ozone depleting substance while also addressing energy efficiency and VOCs from tanks.